All right, so like I promised, I said that I was gonna make a video um to just to help those who were not in the live session that we had yesterday, or for whatever reason. I understand that a lot of people have issues with connections, network issues, you know, and then some people are just not available at the moment, okay, to participate in the meeting. So I understand. So that's why I said that I was going to make a video, like a backup video, just to help those that couldn't participate, and also there are those who could participate and then maybe but forgot probably how to register on the platform and to use it the way we said. So it's for these guys that I'm doing this short video now. But before I show you how it's done, before I get into how I start how to do it, how to get on the platform and do the other things you should do, I want to just talk a bit about why we started this platform. We began this platform actually to help young people. Okay, that's the goal is to empower you with the skills that you require to actually become a contributing member of the society. The goal is to empower you with the skills that you require to be financially productive. We understand the realities of today's world. We understand that things have become increasingly difficult. We understand that things are they are not working as they used to work. We understand that the economic situations across the nations of the world have, for a lot of parts in the world, these situations have become they've become worse off than they were, and it has become very important for people to find out and build and develop how to advance for themselves. So there are skills that you need to make progress. There are skills you need to prosper. There are skills that you need to advance, to develop financial capacity. So these skills are the skills that we want to give to you. We are not trying to fill your head with information. That's not the goal of this platform. The goal of this platform is not to become a university, an online university. This is not an online university like the traditional universities that you know. This is a platform where you learn skills that are highly relevant for the society, skills that are relevant for today's world. This is the platform you learn those skills that you need to make money, skills that you need to survive, to prosper, skills that you need to navigate the challenges of life, skills that you need to become a contributing, useful, and functioning member of the society, skills that you need to advance your life in every aspect of your life, in every aspect of life. This is the reason for the platform. Okay, so what I want to do first is to encourage you as a person to take advantage of it. Now, how I started, like I shared in the meeting yesterday, the workshop that we had, I said that I finished the university about 11 years ago. Okay, 2014, I finished from University of Benin, and like every normal Nigerian person, you finish from the university, and then from there you get to go and serve. It's a compulsory, mandatory 1 year national service program that we all go through here. Then you finish that, you start working. So I did finish the service and I began to work. And of course, it wasn't easy. Now I began to work, and I was working. I worked for a while as a teacher. I was working like earning just meager incomes and things like. I didn't know how backward I was actually. It was about a few years after that I went back to do my masters, and then all hell broke loose. I had somebody sponsor me to, paid my fees, paid everything I needed, but did not pay my feeding and the other things that I needed to do. So I had to take care of the feeding, the rent, and all that thing. So it wasn't easy, okay, to do that because I wasn't getting money from anyone, and I didn't know. It's not like today. Like I didn't know exactly what to do. I was daft. I was blank. No ideas, nothing to do. I mean, I tell people that now I mean, by God's grace, if I come to a point where there is no money, I'm not in that point, but if I come to the point where there is no money anywhere, I know by God's grace, I know what to do to get the money. I know I know the things, the permutations, the calculations, the things, the steps to take. And then before you know, things begin to comfort. I know things to put in place. All right. So I know, but that time I did not know anything and I was not taught. Okay, I went through seasons of hunger. Like there was a day I didn't eat for like 24 hours. I was broke. I was confused. I was angry. I was tired. And then I began to think about those 4 years and I was feeling like, excuse me. So I spent 4 years in the University of Benin. What was it for? If I went to the University of Benin for 4 years to study chemistry, and I am still at this point where I cannot even do anything for myself, then I began to say, what was the point of those 4 years I spent on campus? What was it for? What did I gain? What exactly did they give to me? I gave them money. I gave them my time, my energy, my resources, my attention, and they gave me nothing in exchange. Okay, what they said they gave to me was irrelevant, completely irrelevant as far as contemporary society is concerned. I was I felt betrayed. I felt like these guys deceived me. They betrayed me. They lied to me. They told me that they were going to give me something useful. At the end of the day, they gave me nothing for it. I was pained. Okay. So that anger and pain, with that anger and pain, I began to do my research. I began to learn about wealth, money, business, how it all started, the integrity. I studied, I meditated, I came up with ideas, I tested ideas, I tried businesses, I did things, and many of the things I did failed. And then, of course, over time, I began to see results here and there. And then I began to see results and things began to work. And then things became easier, as it were. So one of the things that I came up with during that period was it dawned on me that a lot of young people are just like I was. A lot of young, because now I can see the light. Like I and then I know what to do. I'm aware. But there are so many young people across Nigeria, across Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Ghana, South Africa. They are just like I was. They've been lied to. Get a job, go to school, and then things will become easy for you. And many of them, they've come to the point where things they are not really financially productive. Or some of them many are making money, but it's just not worth it. And a lot of them are like, look, there's got to be something else. Like this thing is not working. So I decided that, look, we need to create a platform that educates young people. I mean, what if I had this kind of platform in 2011? What if, I mean, I tell people that, look, if I had known, I would not have gone to university. I would have probably studied, learned out, gone to a roadside fashion designer, learned how to sew clothes for 2 years. And then the remaining 2 years, I would have learned how to market, how to get clients, how to do business, how to set up structures. I would have learned those things in those 4 years. Those 4 years, I would have used them to learn how to sew, learn how to set up businesses, market, get clients, and I would have begun to do those things. If I'd done those things, I would not be where I am. Like I would have gone much more further than I have gone right now, okay, than where I am today, if I'd done it that way. So what if I had this kind of platform in 2011? I didn't have. I didn't know there was such a platform. If there was, I didn't know. So the point is that we created this platform to empower young people. We want to give you the opportunity to decide for your future, to create your future, to translate your dreams into reality, to do what you would want to do. This platform is to empower you with the skills, the mindsets, the attitudes, the tools, the equipment that you require to succeed in today's society, in today's world. That's why we created this platform. So on this platform, you're going to find a lot of courses. Now we are starting with the VA course. Okay, the VA course is what we are launching with in about 2 or 3 weeks from now. So we are going to be opening a web design course and then the entrepreneurship course. Those courses are already on the platform, but we're going to be opening them, okay, so that people can do those other courses. But we are starting with the VA course. So you have access to all of these courses, and it's for free. You're not paying us a dime for it, at least for now. You're not paying us a dime for any of it. You're not giving us any money. It's not, you're not giving us a tuition. Okay, it's for free. So you get these courses, empower yourself, use them, learn them, take advantage of them, develop yourself. It's important. And I want to say this: put them to work. Don't just acquire information and do nothing with the information. Put it to work. There's something called science and technology. Science always precedes technology. Science is the knowledge, technology is the application of that knowledge. Science discovers things, technology applies what science discovers. So you always have science before technology. So before the smartphone, science discovered what is called quantum mechanics or quantum theory. So the principles of quantum mechanics are the foundation on which your smartphone operates, on which the technology of the smartphone was built. Okay, so you have all of these the scientific discoveries. The scientific discoveries come first, and then people find out how to apply those scientific discoveries and how to use them to solve problems for humanity. So knowledge comes before application. But the point is that no matter what you know or how much you know, if you don't apply it, you will not make progress. So if you consume all of the information on this platform and you don't apply any of it, you are still not going to make progress. And I don't want that to be your case. Okay, so you need a mindset, you need the right mindset to that will enable you put to work the things that are on this platform. There are two types of the mind is divided into two parts. You have the operate, what I call the operating system, and then the application system. Of course, I gained that from computer terminology, but that's how the mind works rather. So you have there are foundational beliefs. Like the computer, the operating system or software is important, is the foundation, and then the application software works on that. So your smartphone has Android is the operating software or system, and then on that software or system you have, other application softwares like Facebook, like Google, like WhatsApp, like Zoom. These are application softwares. They work on the operating software. But without the operating software, the applications will not run. They won't work. They will not work. And so your mind works that way. You have the operating system. These are fundamental beliefs that you need to function in society. Beliefs like critical thinking, creative thinking, complex problem solving, self-confidence, self-awareness, these beliefs are things you need. Self-esteem, you need these are from fundamental beliefs that you need, without which anything you learn you won't put to work. In 2017 I learned a course. I paid so much money to learn that course, graphic design. Paid a lot of money to do that. And then guess what I did? I did nothing with that course. I made no money with it. Not a dime I made with that course. The problem I found out later was that I did not have the mindset. I didn't have the foundation. I didn't have the operating system. It wasn't there. And so on this platform, you will find courses like entrepreneurship. You find courses like critical thinking, creative thinking. You find these courses. The reason for these courses is to give you that foundation, is to give you the right operating software, is to put the right belief systems in you, is to change your philosophy about life, is to give you the right mindset. Once these things are in place, you will put to use all other things you find on this platform, like you will learn marketing, you're going to learn sales, you're going to learn graphic designs, web design, you're going to learn video editing, you're going to learn data analysis, you're going to learn cyber security. A lot of things on the platform are available for you to get, for you to learn. But without that foundational system, you won't put them to use. Okay, because the goal is you learn these things, you start making money, you improve your life, you begin to change your life with this, you start earning, you start developing your financial capacity with the skills, the knowledge, the attitudes, the mindset you get from the system. That's the goal. Okay, so that is it. So like I said again, you're not paying a dime for these things. You're not paying a dime. You're not giving for now. Nobody's paying a dime. Maybe in the future we'll begin to take money for, but for now it's basically free. Of course, we realize a lot of people, we realize and understand that most people want certificates. Okay, I mean, if you learn VA or web design, you want something to show on LinkedIn, something to show on on Facebook, something to show, something to let people know that I actually did this course, I partook in this course from an institution. Okay, you want a certificate. So for people like that, fine, there's no problem. We have it. And it's the I advise you, by the time you do any of the courses, if it is VA, make sure you get the certificate. If it is web design, make sure you get the certificate. If it is whatever, whichever of them you do, make sure you get the certificate to add to your, just to show that you went through these courses, so you can present to people. Of course, you need to make sure you learn this thing properly, but also to have something to easily tell people that I actually went through this course. So it's important. I advise you, get the certificates. The certificates are not free, they are for a little token, but compared to what you are gaining, compared to the wisdom, the mentoring, the coaching, people that experts that will help you out, compared to the value of the knowledge, information, and skills you get from this platform, that is just nothing. It's completely, it's so little, it's so something you can easily pay. It's very affordable. I mean, it's nothing compared to the value of what you get from this platform. So you pay that little token, which will be disclosed later on. When you pay that, you get access to the certificate. You are given your own certificate, and then this certificate is something that nobody can forge it, because you can verify that it is actually from us. Anybody in any part of the world can actually verify that the certificate came from us, because it's going to come with your own admission number or mat number, whatever you want to call it now. It will come with your own student reg number. It will come with code. So with those things, you can check if the person actually passed through our school system or our institution, or our platform. You can check. So you cannot fake. You can actually authenticate that you actually passed through it. Anybody can decide that, look, I want to be sure that you went through EduFice Academy. Give me your this thing, let me check. So you can't forge it. It's not, you can't do that. Okay. So you pay that little token, you get that. But apart from that, that's it's basically free. So I want to show you how to get on the platform. The first thing is this. The first thing you do is you go and register. That's the first thing. Don't do anything again. Before you do anything, go and register. Register. That's the first thing you have to do, please. Okay, a lot of you are just don't do it. Just go and register. The first thing you do is to go to that. You see that page that button or that thing I clicked on. Just go there and register. Okay, just register. That's the first thing you should do. Register. Put your passwords. Then you register. When you register, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Okay, that's after you register. The next thing is this: you're gonna get a coupon code from us. Now, these courses are not free, like I said. Let me put it this way: these are paid courses, okay? But for this time being, it can be these few months, can be a year. We are making it free because of what we are trying to do, okay? So you'll be given a coupon code. That code is has 100% discount on it. Okay, so if this is the VA course, for instance, let me get a code. So this is a VA course. So if I add, look at this is the course you have to choose. So after you register on the platform as a student, the next thing is you come to all courses. You click on all courses. You get to, we are starting with the VA course, like I said. You click on the VA course, okay, and then you come to the card. You see the card, it takes you to here. You come to this place, you apply the coupon code. And then it says applied. Then you proceed to checkout. And proceed to checkout. Of course, you fill in your name. You fill in your name and other details, and then you place order. The moment you do that, you'll be directed immediately to the dashboard. Now you can start to learn. Okay, so that is how it's as simple as that. You can start to learn. You'll be given assignments after every lesson. So this is it. Now you're going to have to download this. You download this. It's a Microsoft Word document. You download it. You do the assignment. After at the end of the week, you'll be given a Google form to submit this assignment on. You upload the assignment. That is after you've done the assignment, because you have to download this, do the assignment, and then upload it to that um, um, URL code that will give to you. You upload it to it, and then that is it. We will look at it, grade it, and get back to you. That is basically it. It's as simple as that. Okay. So every week, that's how we're going to be doing it. Make sure that you take it, you do what you have to do, and there's nothing else. Yeah, it's as simple as this. So I hope you got something. Please take advantage of this platform. It's an opportunity. Invite other people. Get your friends, your loved ones, publicize it. Let other people see that this kind of thing is available. Let them register. Let them become a part of it. Educate themselves, improve their lives, advance themselves, gain financial skills, take themselves forward. It's important, very, very vital. All right. So I want you to pay attention to that. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope you got this. That's the end of it.